This is the latest weekly construction update from Camp Nou Stadium. As of the final week of April 2026, major progress continues across roofing, facade systems, internal structure, and external scaffolding works. The roof and ring structure of Camp Nou remains one of the most critical and visually dominant elements of the entire redevelopment project. During the last week of April 2026, significant advancements have been recorded in the installation and alignment of the compression ring, which forms the backbone of the stadium's new roof system. Engineers have successfully completed additional segments of the steel ring, particularly on the eastern and northern sides of the stadium. This has allowed for improved structural stability, enabling the next phase of roof truss installation to move forward without delay. The lifting of massive steel beams has been carefully coordinated using high-capacity cranes, ensuring precision placement under strict safety conditions. One of the most notable developments this week is the partial connection of the primary roof support nodes. These nodes are designed to distribute load evenly across the entire structure, reducing stress on individual columns and increasing overall durability. The geometry of the ring is now becoming clearly visible from all surrounding areas of the stadium. Work has also progressed on the tension cable system, which will eventually support sections of the lightweight roof membrane. These cables are being installed gradually, with engineers conducting daily tension tests to ensure structural integrity. The system is designed to withstand both heavy wind loads and seasonal weather variations in Barcelona. In parallel, internal access platforms around the roof perimeter have been expanded. This has allowed construction teams to work simultaneously on multiple sections of the ring, significantly improving efficiency. Safety inspections remain continuous, particularly as work height increases with each new segment installed. By the end of this week, the roof structure is transitioning from a skeletal framework into a more connected and unified system. While full completion is still ahead, the stadium's silhouette is now much closer to its final modern design, showcasing the ambition behind this redevelopment. The facade panel installation has also seen strong progress during the final week of April 2026. This phase is crucial as it defines the outer visual identity of the new Camp Nou, combining modern architectural design with functional performance features. Over the past 7 days, additional lightweight composite panels have been installed along the lower and mid-level exterior sections of the stadium. These panels are designed to enhance ventilation while also providing a sleek and continuous exterior finish. The installation teams have focused primarily on the southern and western facades, where structural alignment has now reached an advanced stage. A key improvement this week has been the refinement of the panel mounting system. The newly installed brackets allow for quicker adjustments and more precise alignment, reducing installation errors and improving overall aesthetic consistency. As a result, the facade is beginning to display a smooth, uniform appearance across multiple sections. Glass-infused panels have also started to appear in select areas, particularly around VIP entrances and main concourse zones. These sections are designed to allow natural light penetration while maintaining thermal efficiency. The reflective surfaces are already changing the external look of the stadium during daylight hours. In addition, coordination between facade installation teams and internal mechanical systems has improved. This ensures that ventilation ducts, lighting systems, and emergency exits align perfectly with the outer cladding. Weekly inspections have confirmed that no major structural deviations have been detected. Overall, the facade work is transitioning from a segmented installation phase into a near-continuous exterior shell. While final detailing and finishing layers remain, the visual transformation of Camp Nou is becoming increasingly evident with each passing week. The development of the surrounding surface area and external grounds has also made consistent progress during this weekly cycle. This phase includes paving access routes, landscaping preparation, and expansion of pedestrian zones around the stadium perimeter. During the last week of April 2026, groundwork teams have completed additional sections of reinforced concrete surfacing on the northern plaza. This area is being prepared to handle large crowd movement during match days and events. Drainage systems have also been installed beneath the surface to ensure proper water management during heavy rainfall. Work on pedestrian pathways has advanced significantly, and new access routes connecting transport drop-off points to stadium entrances are now clearly defined. These pathways are being finished with anti-slip materials to improve safety and durability. The design focuses on smooth crowd flow, reducing congestion during peak entry and exit times. Landscaping preparation has also begun in designated green zones surrounding the stadium. Soil conditioning and irrigation systems are being installed to support future planting of trees and decorative vegetation. This is part of the broader urban integration plan aimed at improving the stadium's environmental footprint. Vehicle access roads around the stadium have been partially reopened after resurfacing works. These roads are being widened in certain sections to accommodate emergency services and logistics transport. Traffic flow planning has been adjusted to align with the new stadium layout. Lighting infrastructure is also being installed across the external surface zones. Modern LED lighting columns are being positioned to enhance visibility and security during night events. Electrical cabling has been laid underground to maintain a clean and unobstructed exterior appearance. Overall, the surface area development is steadily transforming the stadium surroundings into a fully functional, modernized public space that complements the architectural scale of the rebuilt Camp Nou. Scaffolding and temporary support structures continue to play a vital role in the ongoing construction process. During the final week of April 2026, several key scaffolding sections have been repositioned to support upper-level roof and facade installation activities. Heavy-duty scaffolding towers have been installed around the eastern stand, providing access for workers operating on elevated structural components. These systems are regularly inspected to ensure maximum safety, especially as construction activities move to higher elevations. Modular scaffolding units are also being dismantled in areas where permanent structures have now been completed. This indicates steady progress in transitioning from temporary to permanent infrastructure across multiple zones of the stadium. In addition, suspended working platforms have been introduced in select roof sections, allowing technicians to carry out detailed installation and inspection tasks. These platforms are adjustable and can be moved horizontally to cover larger working areas efficiently. Safety remains a top priority. All with daily checks conducted on all scaffolding systems. No major safety incidents have been reported during this week, reflecting strong compliance with international construction standards. The final week of April 2026 shows strong and consistent progress across all major construction sectors of Camp Nou Stadium. With roof, facade, surface, and support systems advancing together, the project is steadily approaching its next major milestone.